Friends and YouTube viewers, this is Chloe. This is a video by request for my friend Alyssa for Adobe Photoshop layer mask. You start out with your two images, one for the foreground, one on the background. You copy and paste the foreground onto the background image. Then go into the layers menu, or the layer menu. And click on Add Layer Mask. And I usually choose the Reveal All. That way you see what you're working with instead of just trying to reveal everything that's hidden. And then you use the black and white colors to adjust the opacity of the foreground layer mask. You see I'm painting with the black, and that's hiding the foreground image. And if you make a mistake, you can just switch over to the white, and that'll bring it back. And what I'm doing here is, the way I'm adjusting that brush size is some of the keyboard shortcuts built into Photoshop. Is using the left and right bracket keys, which are right beside the P key on the keyboard. And zoom in so I can get some finer detail work. One of the things you want to make sure you do, or where your image is going to look like it is a paper cutout onto another image. You want to make sure you, as you're doing this layer mask, you want to make sure that your brush is your brush kind of goes over the pixels of what you want to keep. Because in reality, if you were to have that, if it was a real image, it wasn't manipulated, it would kind of fade into the background a little bit from the anti-aliasing that the camera does on the image. So you'd want to kind of copy that anti-aliased look by kind of feathering in the edges a bit, or dithering the edges, so that it looks like it's naturally there. Of course, the lighting on these two images doesn't match up, so that's not going to work a whole lot here, but it will look like she's there. It just looks like there's a flash on her and nothing else. And to get straight lines like against this pole, What I did is I just found one single place to click. And then I held down the Shift key, moved the cursor to where I wanted it, and clicked again, and it automatically makes a straight line there. And doing it again. Just making sure I got everything there removed. And after you get a good outline of the main image for the foreground, you may want to turn on and off the background layer, so you can just make sure that you got everything deleted or hidden that you don't want showing up in the foreground. Because sometimes, especially with the feathered brush that I'm using, it fades off to the edges, so it's not guaranteed you're going to have everything hidden as it should be. But in this video here, I cut out when I did that, but you might want to do that just to make sure you're not leaving stuff in that shouldn't be there, because sometimes it's hard to see it unless you hide that background image. And there's the final image for this tutorial. I hope you find this helpful, and good luck with your future Photoshop projects. Oh yes, I forgot to. I had deleted part of that poll, and I'm just going to reveal it here. I just used the white paint to bring that back.